welcome back. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to make the super easy panda ruler. So let's get started. The things you'll be needing, guys, is some scissors, markers, an actual ruler, and some paper. So I have a piece of paper here, and I've measured 4 centimeters by 16 centimeters. And then at the top here, I've made a square, which is 3 inches, 3.5 inches by 3 inches. Okay, so now I'm just gonna quickly sketch out a panda face in the back. Whoa, that was fast. Just like that. Now I'm gonna take a black marker and I'm gonna outline it. You can make a cat, a dog, or any different kind of animal. So just like that. And you can even use colored paper instead of white paper, but I wanted to make a panda. So just like that. Now this part's optional, but if there's light pencil marks showing, you can just using an eraser lightly erase on top wherever you see any pencil marks. But this part's optional. Like that. I forgot to color the muzzle part. So there, like that. Now using some other colored markers, color in any extra details. I just needed a pink marker to color the inside of the ears. Now I'm going to take my actual ruler, and on one side I'm going to make it centimeters. In the other side I'm going to make it inches. So I'm going to place my ruler, leaving a little gap on top. And using a black marker, I'm going to use the guidelines to just roughly mark. just like that. Now I'm gonna make these lines bigger. So one line big, the other one small. So just like that. I actually decided not to do the inches part and now just start adding the numbers. So like that, and usually in the start point it says if it's millimeters or centimeters or anything. I'm just gonna quickly write centimeters, and yeah. Now lastly, you want to cut out the top part. So like that, and now you're done. You can even use this as a bookmark. And that is it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, like, comment, hit the bell button, and subscribe. And I'll see you next week. Bye!